Hey guys, Quicksilver here. Welcome back to the channel. And if you've seen by the title, I did mess my car up running my buddy's Corvette, and we'll get to that here in a minute. If you haven't seen my other videos, check them out. There's more on my 2018 Hellcat and car buying advice. So if you're looking for a car in the future, check out some of my other videos. There's some helpful information. Other than that, here we go.
Rock chips galore. Oh, damn. Woo!
Alright, let's assess the damage. So far it looks like I got one all the way back here. This is all the way to the back tire. And one right there, a good one. That's behind the front wheel. Here's a nice one right there. This is just painful. Another one right there. There's a little one right there. Yeah, you can see that. Yeah, just coming around to the front. Yeah, right there. So painful. Yeah. Now this thing was clean before because I hardly drive it anywhere. So there's one there. Another one there. Another one there. Another one there. Another one there. Oh, there's one right there. There's a good one right there. Good one right there. We're at the middle of the hood now. Oh, it's painful. I think there's one right there, and there's one up here too. Yeah. Oh, and we're not done. That one cut in deep. That one went all the way to the black, to the bumper. Oh. One down there. It's not too much on this side because I wasn't on. He was on the other side. And the rest of this is clean, relatively. Well, that's sad. I know it's just a few rock chips, but when you make sure it's so clean every day, and then something like that happens, but I guess that's, you play with fire, you're gonna get burnt. That's all right. The rest of it's still in good shape. You know, almost had him. Yeah, I think he had 500 horsepower to the wheel after his tune. So we had the Texas Speed heads, the Vera Ram intake, and a tune. He's getting it ready for boost and a cam. So I'm gonna have to step my game up here pretty soon to keep up with him. Other than that, learn a lesson. Don't run a friend down a nasty, dirty road that nobody drives on, because you'll get your junk rock pelted. So I know that was probably as painful to watch as it was for me to record and experience. You know, it's unfortunate, but, you know, like I said, if you're going to play with fire, sometimes you get burnt. You know, I keep the car really clean, so to have something like that put the rock chips in my car, you know, I guess it's better than getting them from a semi on the highway. Kind of like Battles cars, I guess. Now I get a little touch of paint and hit them up here and there. I've got some vinyl going on the car here pretty soon, so that'll cover up some of it as well. You know, it's really not that big. You can't see it from, you know, standing right by the car, but you gotta look close. But it still pains me to see that happening. You know, what happened there in the video was, you know, I told them before that, you know, just in case one of us starts to pull on each other, that we need to shut it down quick, because there's usually some rocks on that road that'll kick up. Well,
I started to slow down, but the Brembos kind of kicked in a little too hard and he got ahead of me. And when I saw that, I was like, all right, let me just stab these things. And when I got on to stabbing him, he stabbed on his brakes, so it was just bad. He ended up being pretty much right in front of me the whole time, you know, at like, well, I won't say the speed, but, you know, pretty fast. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, or at least it was a little bit entertaining. Be sure to subscribe. Check out my other videos again if you want to see more on the Hellcat, and you know, some car buying videos, car buying advice, a lot on leasing as well. And if you want to stay tuned for some of my other videos and live broadcasts, I'll be doing the weekly residuals for Chrysler Capital. So if you're looking for anything in particular as far as anything, you know, to do with Dodge, Jeep, Chrysler, Ram, you know, I'll be putting out those residuals and money factors, so that way you have an idea of the current rebates and what you should possibly be able to look for when you're going to lease a vehicle or buying one, just to make sure the dealers are giving you exactly, you know, the rebates and all the numbers that you should be. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.